guys, welcome back to vlogs. It is Thursday, July 16th, and I'm taking a walk with Riley, who's interested in something over there. But anyway, so we're walking, and yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, another day at the shore. Alright guys, so it's much later. It's literally almost sunset. We did not do anything today, since we didn't go to the beach, just did whatever. Didn't do much. So I'm taking Riley, but after this, we're planning to go into town, just get some ice cream, and just look around, see what's what during these corona times. But Riley's sniffing the sand. Anyway, continuing. Okay, hey guys, it's later, or actually no, it's a lie, it's the next day. We're taking a walk, and it's cloudy. Very cloudy. It rained a little while ago, but it stopped, so now we're walking. Hope it doesn't keep raining. Otherwise, today's actually our last day. Tomorrow we're going home. It'll be kind of a boring last day at the shore, but oh well. Riley's sniffing plants and sand that she doesn't experience back home. So yeah, if we do anything, I guess I'll vlog it. If not, I guess I'll see you whenever. We're swimming at the beach. Oh. Whoa. Uh-oh. Whoa. We are in the ocean, and it's pretty rough compared to the other day. Very rough. I can't even vlog. Uh-oh. Wave! You good? Yeah. Here we go again. Down! Water's not even that deep, but the waves are crazy.
Very nice.
So, yeah, let's try to move over here. Back towards where we were. Water's very warm, but very rough. The mighty Atlantic Ocean. Quite rough. Whoa! Oh, down! Allison, get down! Water's ought to be rough. Quite a bit. It's very rough. Up! You have to either dive or jump. It's a choice that... It's quite a tough choice what to make. Down! Down! Alright, we survived. We survived. Yippee-o-ki-yay. Alright guys, so I'm boogie boarding now. And since these waves are perfect, I don't know how I'm gonna really be able to get a shot of me. But maybe I'll get first person, I don't know. But anyway, I gotta get in position. Let's try. Alright guys, so it's way later. Alright, it's sunset and I'm going down down here to the beach. Well, not on the beach as before, same beach as before, but right here is the Delaware Bay. To take a picture of the sunset. Look at it. Very nice. Look at it. So pretty nice. I'm now looking up here. All over the beach. So many people. So many. Watching the sunset. There are dolphins. Trying to get them. There they are. out on the beach. Just chilling, watching the sunset. That man, kayaking. These guys look like they're partying. Got fire. Crazy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Excuse me. If you enjoyed this very long vlog, give this a like, consider subscribing if you've not. Enjoy this video. I'm not gonna vlog tomorrow because we're just going home tomorrow. So I'll see you guys later, next video, and we'll be back home. Yeah, goodbye.
It's over.